So Ingrid, tell us, what's your experience been like coming to both the Wealth Weekend and then also to this retreat?
Well, if I was looking for something to get myself out of my own way, this was it, because I had to be present, and I enjoy being with people with a different energy. It was symbiotic. We all fed off each other, and it was just so natural. Everything was natural, and whilst I wasn't here with a specific purpose, I had my epiphany, and I worked out where I was really in my head. And once I knew that, I was able to navigate my way to my destination that I want. So I'm not following anymore. I'm standing next to you, and I'm moving forward.
Brilliant. And you know, one of the things that they talk about in 10X is you need to raise your identity to be able to 10X. And you know, rather than following or being a follower, like stepping into your power is really amazing.
That's the most frightening thing. The thought of stepping into, once I realized that epiphany, it was like, oh my God, I've got to step into this power, and who's that going to be? I was almost afraid. And one of the things that I said earlier, there were parts of, I was ashamed of my ability to make money and to be successful in that. And I need to get rid of that shame, but it's part of my past. So now I'm going to use it and teach other people how to do it. So
awesome. Tell me one last question. You know, to come here and to do an experience like this, it was the first time for you to try some of this stuff. Firstly, did you feel safe? And secondly, was it worth it?
Absolutely. I wouldn't have even started if I didn't feel safe. And the mushrooms were particularly interesting for me because it took me right out of my comfort zone. And the first thing, well, I didn't do it first thing, but I was fascinated on what I was seeing, especially in the colors of these pictures. Those characters there were dancing. And then when Helga started laughing, it made it even more alive. Yeah, I then saw Dietland move to the front, and I thought maybe but I'd seen her starting to cry and express something, and then I started, and that was a great release because I cried for myself and for the time I've been wasting thinking about the past that I can't change.
Awesome. So tell me, my last question is this, you know, if someone was sitting on the fence here watching this video, what would be your recommendation to them?
Oh my God, you've got to come. I mean, I'm already thinking, who can I bring here? And I suspect that a couple of my friends have been here before, and we're trying to work out whether it was the same place. I don't think I'm going to have any trouble bringing people that need to come.
Awesome.
To come here, yeah.
Well, it's been wonderful watching you come here and jump in, and I look forward to your 10X journey ahead of you.
Thank you.
Congratulations, I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Come on, cheers.